In this section, I'm going to be talking about the effect of electricity. In the previous section, I did talk about forces that can generate electricity. That is, forces that can knock off electron from its orbit and make such electrons to begin to flow and generate what we know as electricity. Now, in the previous section, such forces that I made mention were magnetic force, chemical energy, and then heat energy. In this section, you can reverse engineer the last process to also get all this energy back using electrical energy. The first effect I'm going to be talking about as well is magnetic effect. When electric energy passes through a conductor, or what we know as a coil, like this in my hand, when you pass electricity through this component, it can generate magnetism, magnetic force rather. Okay, now in the other diagram you're looking at a chemical effect of electricity. When you put a component such as we have in this diagram and you put a battery around the conductor that can pass electricity through it and you close the switch in there, you have what we call chemical effect. And that chemical effect is referred to as electrolysis. It knocks off electrons between the anode to the cathode conventionally. The last effect is also known as heat effect. When you pass electricity through this same coil, because the coil, it can generate heat. And you have this in your boiling ring, because you can see that the mouth of your boiling ring is coil. That coil effect is to create an inductive effect. That is the reason why you have heat generated in such kind of device. Now, the next effect I'm going to be talking about is light effect. You have light effect. Every one of us, we have bulb in our house. When electricity is passed through a conductor, this conductor is known as tungsten. When electricity is passed through its coil, it heats up that particular coil and the coil glows. When it glows, it emits light. And that is the other effect of electricity.